Right, who wants a segment on how to fit a twisted exhaust? Cylinder 1 first. Through there. Don't forget your gasket. Perfected the one-handed fitting. Hinge them. Drop them like that. And then like that. Right, leave it loose. Don't do it up. That way, we've got lots of movement, everything can get done up once it's all together. People ask me about these as well. You can fit these still plugged in. So, obviously we have to screw it in that way. So if we pre-tension it the opposite way, pre-tensioned in the hole, and then find the thread, like so. Our CNC clamps, you can actually do this up after, and they're just nipped like that. Onto the other side. One of them. The twisted will come with one of these on the end. You can just go with a little dab of Loctite on here, just to make sure it doesn't come loose. Just finger tight on that. Install this. You can then just place the whole thing onto cylinder 2. And then you have enough room to swing this out to put your lovely Cerakote cup on there. Cool. Ball ended 6mm. Now, just leave that loose for the moment. Everything is loose. Flip that over. Bring the two parts together. You can see that we've got the two parts together there. And then just flip that over. And then we can do that up. I like to fit them this way because it hides all of the thread and everything, and that's just nice and round on the top. Again, just get it so it's just slightly nipped, so there'll be movement in all of this. Cool. Once you do this up, the exhaust is going to do that, so this wants to be done up kind of last. Set to 19 Newton meters. Bit of an odd one, isn't it? 19. And then just knit these up equally. These don't have a torque setting, just nipped. Right, so with the latest bikes that are Euro 5 plus emissions, we have had to create this little box, and what this does is deletes the secondary O2 sensor. So if your bike has this at the front, usually tucked up here, then you're going to need one of these from us. Now, we're not going to tell you how we made this or what's inside of it, but it looks pretty cool, and it's got a nice shiny gold bit in it. So 4-pin connector into there, plug it in. That's got a nice little holder there, bolt, bit of Loctite. This one here,
yeah, seen it
on this front mount. So this is obviously not coated, and if your bike has done some miles, you might need to just give this a clean off, because this is also an earth point on the back of here. So we have the ring terminal there, so just make sure that's nice and clean, and then that, screw that into there. Be available on the website to purchase with your twisted exhaust, or if you have any exhaust that is not standard, that doesn't have a secondary cap, then you can buy this box.